Most people think millionaires get rich by chasing the next big thing. They imagine flashy startups, risky investments, or businesses that make headlines. But what if I told you that many self-made millionaires quietly build their fortunes through businesses most people overlook? The truth might completely change how you think about wealth. Here's something interesting. Wealth and excitement rarely travel together. The businesses that attract the most attention often face the most competition. Meanwhile, the businesses that solve ordinary, everyday problems keep generating money year after year without much fanfare. Think about it. Every morning, someone needs their office cleaned. Every week, people wash their clothes. Every month, companies need accounting services. Buildings need plumbing repaired. Air conditioners break down. Garbage has to be collected. Storage units need tenants. None of these businesses are glamorous, yet they continue making money regardless of trends. That's exactly what attracts millionaires. They don't ask, what's exciting? They ask, what problem will still exist 10 years from now? That simple shift in thinking separates wealth builders from opportunity chasers. Look at commercial cleaning companies. Most people never dream about owning one. Yet businesses, schools, hospitals, and shopping centers all need cleaning. It's recurring income. Customers return because the service is essential, not because it's fashionable. The same applies to self-storage facilities. Once people rent a storage unit, many keep it for years. Monthly payments arrive consistently, creating predictable cash flow. That's a word wealthy people love, predictability. There's also waste management. Few children grow up saying they want to own a garbage company. Yet cities can't function without waste collection. The demand never disappears. Millionaires understand that boring often means reliable. Here's where psychology comes in. Most people chase status. They want businesses they can proudly post on social media. Millionaires chase systems. They understand that financial freedom comes from solving real problems repeatedly, not from impressing strangers online. Think about the last time your internet stopped working, or your air conditioner failed on a hot day. You didn't care whether the technician's job looked exciting. You simply wanted the problem solved. That's where money changes hands. The bigger and more urgent the problem, the more valuable the business becomes. Another lesson is patience. Boring businesses rarely make someone rich overnight. Instead, they quietly compound. One customer becomes 10, 10 become 100. Profits are reinvested. Over time, the business grows into a machine that produces cash whether the owner is working or not. This doesn't mean every boring business is a goldmine. Success still requires good management, excellent customer service, and disciplined financial decisions. But history shows that consistent businesses often outperform flashy ones over the long run. So the next time you're searching for the perfect business idea, don't just ask what's trending. Ask what's necessary. Trends come and go, but essential services survive recessions, market crashes, and changing technology. The wealthiest people often win because they're willing to be boring while everyone else is trying to be interesting. If this changed the way you think about building wealth, leave a like, subscribe for more insights on wealth psychology and financial freedom, and share this episode with someone who believes success only comes from chasing the next big thing. Remember, fortunes are often built in businesses that nobody brags about, but everyone depends on.